Now we want you to imagine, what if you can earn up to $400 every single day just by simply typing names online? I mean, how cool is that? Okay, so here's exactly how it works. Now, when you type one word or one name, for example, Lisa, and boom, you make money. When you type another name, for example, Jenny, boom, you get paid once again. This is such an incredible opportunity, and here's exactly how much money you can make. When you type one page of names, you can earn $15, and for 5 pages of names, you can earn $75. And when you type 20 pages of names in a day, you can earn $300. And the best thing is that there is no limit to this. You can type as much as you want, and you can earn as much money as you possibly can. You can either do this on your mobile phone or do this on your computer. It doesn't really matter. This opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide, so make sure that you watch until the end. Now, I know this sounds insane, but that's why you need to stick around and finish the entire video, or else you won't be able to get the results that we promised you. So watch until the end to find out what we're going to have to do to earn, just like the way that we are. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So to start off, you're going to want to be on your default browser and then proceed to type in talentdesire.com. Now, as you can see, your dream, your career starts now. Work with popular brands and earn money online from home without investing a dime. How this works is that you explore jobs, so you're going to select an online job from home and apply for free from all over the world. Then you're going to get hired, and with Talent Desire, you can work at home and tap into a global network of work. You're then going to start work. Talent Desire makes it easy to connect with popular employers and begin doing work from home. And lastly, and our most favorite part, collect earnings. Choose a payment method that works best for you, from PayPal to wire transfer and more. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see so many different job opportunities that are available for you. There are online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, online paid survey jobs, online typing jobs, and many more. Now, we want you to focus on online typing jobs, and as you can see, you can earn up to $45 to $90 and even more every single day. Now, isn't that insane? As your skills and experience grows, so will your bank balance. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So click on more, and that should lead you to this page right here. A wonderful way to earn money with your typing skills. If you want to earn some extra money working from home on your own computer and schedule, then online typing jobs is the perfect job for you. You will find jobs for all levels of all typing skills, from beginner to an expert home-based typist. Now, we are looking for a typist to perform typing and word processing tasks for our worldwide clients. There are no minimum entry barriers, but you can find out more about the basic requirements. We offer top pay. You can earn up to $13,500 US to $25,000 US or more per year. As your skills and experience will grow, so will your bank balance. This has guaranteed work. You should expect to get the minimum work of $1,125 US per month. Now, as you can see over here, these are the prices that they pay you for your work. And all of the details on this and everything else you will find on this webpage. You can easily just go on here by following what we showed you. Now, if we click on payment options over here, you will see all of the methods of payments that they offer. And as you can see, they have a ton, so you really need not to worry about any of that. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Anyway, going back to the page that we were on, you're going to scroll to the bottom part of the page and then click on apply now. You're going to be brought to another page once again. Now this is the tricky part. So this is where you need to be the most patient and follow through with our videos so you won't get lost or confused. If you scroll a little lower, you'll see that step 1 is to select an application form, and you're just going to want to click on that. It'll bring you to yet another web page, but don't go anywhere else because you're so close. So scroll lower and click on the online application form, and you should find yourself here. Another website, but just wait. Scroll lower and click on this that says fill in your details to apply and work with us. And once you click on that, you'll finally get to the sign up page. We also wondered before as to why we were led through such a long process, but now we realize that it's kind of a part of the test, maybe some sort of. How much people are actually willing to go through several web pages before reaching the actual sign up page. So just make sure you follow through because you will definitely get here. So make sure to complete the whole sign up process because this is how you're going to be able to apply, of course. Now, first name, last name, email, contact number, where you're from, zip, your preferred job title, which you can put online typing job, best time for you, and we suggest that you choose all day because that means more opportunities. Then choose your preferred payment method. This is very important. Your current profession status, then don't forget to agree to the terms, provide an e-signature, confirm you're not a robot, double check that everything has been filled up, and then you can finally click on submit. You're then going to wait for them to email you back, which we are 100% sure that they will do. So make sure that you're patient and do good in this application form because it really doesn't take much and it's all that this job requires of you to actually apply. So this is an example of how your work would be. As you can see, project 1 payout is $15, which is equal to 300 names, and here's 2 more projects, and again you can do this over and over and over again and earn up to $300 and even more in literally just a single day if you can do that. So what are you waiting for? We want you to try this method out as soon as you finish this video, and then let us know in the comments down below how it goes, and that should be everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.